Hey guys, welcome back to Cube Cake. Sorry that I'm posting like a year after part 1, but we never hit 100 likes, sadly. We only hit 20. But other than that, here as I promised, we have a part 2 on Ortega, on how to solve Ortega on 2x2. So the first algorithm that I'm going to be doing today, which is definitely the easiest algorithm, which is this algorithm. I don't really know what they're called, but I'll just show you how to do them. So this is the easiest algorithm. Once you've done your center on the bottom and you did the center on the top, there is a very small chance you'll get this. I don't think I've really ever had this happen to me anywhere really. So how to do this algorithm, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do R2, F2, R2. Look, I prefer to do R prime 2, but you can do it anyway, so you can do it like this if you want to. But let me show you what that looks like when you do it fast. It's a really easy move to do because it's really quick, and it's definitely good if you are like running over that average that you really want to keep at like a nice low, let's say like 5 seconds or whatever. So yeah, that's the first algorithm. So the second case you might get is if once you've set up all of this, you see there's nothing really matches up here except for one bar. It doesn't matter what color the bar is, it doesn't matter what side it is on. But if there's one bar like this with a blue or whatever color, you're going to want to do this algorithm. R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. Now let me show you what that looks like when you do it fast. This is one that takes a little bit getting used to because it's kind of like a weird oriented algorithm. But let me do it for you one more time. And then here's what it looks like fast. This is definitely a good case to get. This is probably the most common case you'll get. So yeah, that's the second case. Another common case you might get is where you have two bars like this. Again, they don't have to be the same color, but mine are. This doesn't really matter. You don't really need to look at the side. You just need to look at where you've got the square. So you've got two bars. And then for this algorithm, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2, U prime, and R2. So this one's definitely a little bit more intuitive than the last algorithm. This one you get a little bit less, but you do get it pretty often. And then here's what it looks like fast. So that's all of the really Ortega dedicated algorithms. There's not really any other dedicated algorithms for solving everything. But there is some algorithms from 3x3 that you should know if you've done 3x3. One, which is this algorithm, which is the adjacent corner swap. Sorry, diagonal corner swap. I'm definitely wrong there. So yeah, that's a pretty easy one. I'm not going to tell you how to do. I'm not going to teach you how to do this one because if you know 3x3, you should already know this. And then the other one, which this is the diagonal corner swap, which is pretty simple. You just basically swap those two like that. And then if you do this one, you can do quite fast on 2x2. So those are the only real. You only really get 5 algorithms from when the cube from as soon as you solve the top and the bottom sides. And if I do a quick solve here, I'll do it slow-ish. So you see I've got the one side there and the one side there. And then we look around, you see I've got the two bars. That's this algorithm, as you can remember. So yeah, that's really all. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe. We are trying to hit 10 subscribers. Hopefully I can get 100 views on this video. Please consider subscribing. It's totally free. It helps us out a lot. And it makes my channel work. It makes us do good. And if you If we can get this video to like at least 50 likes, I might do an unboxing on an MJC 4x4. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. This is Cube Cake out.